there, yes, sir, and so as I am prophet or say Kwame, our Victory Prophetic Church, and in some episode, Ghana has say a for reference, and yet it's a one yare, and we must say we will. And the MP, our Casama will be a comma at Tony Macrophone, Sem and so I can send a also about Sem and Cofoso and Camas, and there it was a baby swimming, didn't change one another or wafa and semi. One of us must say a Foundation. And the University Foundation, ya buy us on Nubia. Or seriously, and Yakopo, a bomb by it. Now, one in 90 time if I made Janka, when I will be for. Now we are cracker and now we are cool. Now, sir, most more Christmas air bay, Bronya air bay. Now, Open Foundation be at your one idea, and dear. Now, a University Foundation, and I may Aposia Sparkles may air come for a diamond. Open University Foundation. 054-830-2985 054-830-2985. Meeting Anya Akosia Sparkles time with the prophet. Here trying one by Elvasisia. Papa said, when you're train, a pains you'll be a sea would chain, sir. Me a cogy, a waff from Crato, a bag, yeah. What should Mr. Nifaso prophet or say, Kwame, our Victory Prophetic Church, and no etty of a fair and a dress, no, a thank you, and no one kill, a thank you. No, why if Papa pay ye? Papa, what I know, Papa. So say, attention TV, a fair no time with the prophet, so a fair no. We are quite business coders now, so they a buy here. That's what Papa in show. Now, Papa, now say it's a chassis with income chichena. If you say a chassis, it's a me a coso a wagana, my mo has say. I can say, we a deep for no cool be one summer. Now, I can say some big money at this one. Now, say, I can say no more boy, I will be at all. So, you go for a casse, Reverend Watch or Yari. Now, a nay are crying a bit more casse with. If you also air casse, JB, our one is off about say, so on some bus, so I will bet in bar if in the same any rich snow the money now, or bet if it's a mass amana sanko, the daddy. Now, Papa, a 7 hour cafa is semi.
Yo, Michiawa chassis, to me a mom by answer. But you for now, a job man in our shawns. Ma or Moshe, a teaching bench, and all I organ in a brooch, Bia will be a. You will open on to me, what do no to me, every 4 years. I see a program where they are said any a year more ready. Lord over Jesus Christ in him. I don't. Amen. Joe, my dear sir, as someone beside me, a motor. Send you panel sort arsenal. So be a woo. So what I know is say, oh boy, we told you be soon. One show me between an neighbor also. And now, Penny said, one so, and in it. It is said, Mimi, Obi Wua, Nippani Wua, dear Pan of in your film. What I say? Yeah, other stations near sister stations, maybe. Aka say, so for watch here free money and the idea. What I say? I will be with a new father. Said a good phone about me, said, on my require fast or Nippani Wua, dear. On my qua, who bet me this energy can there, baby. I'm a quatran, I refuse to say, well, who am Pano, mean your film. Eddie made mean tail say. So for Anthony Kojo Boache, with female resurrection power, yeah, asɔre na odi anim no mente sɛ wafiri mu eti maame kora frɛ ne sɔfoɔ baako ebisa no ɔno nso anya Pacific wei bi ama me nti mentumi mfɔ so nipa no sɛ nipa no awuo so mu yɛ no menim
but ɛyɛ mpa sɛ ɔyare paa yie
yadeɛ no deɛ sɛ ɔyade o yadeɛ deɛ ɔyade ɔyare paa anyɛ yareɛ bia sɛ ndwedwe yadeɛ stroke na stroke no one thing about stroke ne sɛ wa obi ɔhwɛ me ɔtie me bi ɔntie me yie stroke yadeɛ bi a yɛwɔ sunsum mu deɛ honam mu deɛ ɛne yɛwɔ honam mu paa so deɛ sunsum mu deɛ honam mu deɛ ne yɛwɔ honam mu paa deɛ
papa ne mɛyɛ hu sunsum because sunsum obi me akasa na mete da sɛ stroke no yɛwɔ sunsum mu deɛ ɛne yɛwɔ honam mu deɛ ne yɛwɔ honam mu paa deɛ ka ho wonim paa no pato deɛ
paa no ɛyɛ man stroke wadwodwo wofa no dwodwo a wobɛɛ ma nhyɛ da dwodwo ba wonya man stroke na wofa dwodwo wadwene ɛkɔ off wobɛɛ ma kɔ off paa no te sɛ obi a wayɛ bubu ani ɔda fam yɛwɔ ayarefoɔ bebree wɔ hɔ a ɔyɛ yarefoɔ sorry sɛ mebɔ yarefoɔ di because obi wɔ a ɔbɛka sɛ yɛde obi yare ɛsere no obi a bɛtumi ayare dia yɛwɔ obi a ɔyare ɔkuta poma ebi ana sɛbe ne nan baako na ɛnkɔ yie nti ɔde poma no asopɔto ne half no ɛne yɛwɔ nea ɔte wheelchair mu a ne nan mmienu nyinaa adwodwo nso ɔte wheelchair mu wɔnhwɛ ni yɛbɛka sɛ ebi ɔbɔ life bi na ɔte akonnwa mu
ɔno ne yɛ
honam mu deɛ ɛna nea ogu fam ankasa no ɔno deɛ wakɔ down eti man stroke no stroke yɛwɔ n'ahodoɔ mmiɛnsa eti sɛ wɔanyɛ obi obetumi aboa wo efiri nyame mu ahandu a ɔbɛnom ne adeadeɛ emu bi ani wa yɛbɛka sɛ ɛnyɛ pasɛ nyame amma mu paa
abapa sunsum deɛ no so
ya sunsum deɛ no wonya sunsum deɛ no a sunsum deɛ no ba wo so a mmarima ɔmotaa ne nkurɔfoɔ da wɔ daeɛ mu ne adeadeɛ no ɛno no ɛyɛ sunsum deɛ spiritual marriage yɛtumi tɔ yadeɛ no ma wo ɛti sɛ wowɔ spiritual marriage a na wodi wo ho agorɔ a agorɔ bɛdi wo wodi wo ho agorɔ a agorɔ bɛdi wo number 2 saa honam mu deɛ no yɛtumi tɔ ɛbɛto spinal cord to wo wɔ se mekɔ hospital doctor sɛ manya nompe mu yare spinal cord machine adeadeɛ sɛ yɛtɔ to akyi nso a na sɛ woanya diifoɔ bi an art sɛbe menka sɛ obi yɛ fake mede baabi obi frɛ nyame na menyina hɔ woanya obi a nyame nsa wɔ no so paa wobɛka fam cause spinal cord yɛ yadeɛ bi a wokyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ yadeɛ bi a ɛnyɛ nkɔyie wate asɛ eti sɛ woanya obi a wadɔre wɔ sunsum mu paa obi bebree from mu sia me wo ka sɛ woyɛ sia me hɔ no nhyɛ da mfa me ho action speak louder than words ma wo action no nyɛ adwuma ma action no nyɛ dɛn ɛnyɛ adwuma saa na teɛ sɛ me se me de aduaba yi ɛna ɛbɛsa wo yare a sɛ ɛnyɛ sika asɛm a na me se me de aduaba wei bɛsa wo yare a ɛsɛ meyɛ ɛna mpanin sɛ yɛmiɛnwɛ wo so woyɛ friend sɛ woyɛ deda ayu woyɛ asamoa gya wonim bɔɔbɔ kyɛn ɔmo mmienu a back na da hɔ no ɛkɔbɔ wɔ no yɛhwɛ ɛmfa wɔ no ɛnka ɛti sɛ bankyenya a wonim kɔ yɛbɛfa so ɔbɛhu sɛ bankyeyɛ saa yɛnka sɛ agye wɔ anwea bankyenya a ɛgya na kyerɛ wode asi gya no so ɛgya na bɛkyerɛ sɛ bankye wei ɛnyɛ anaasɛ ɛyɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ bankye no wei fa sɛ phone wei yɛ bankye mɛsɛ makoto bankye ɛwɔ mu mmienu sɛ mmiɛnsa yɛwɔ bankye adankasa whatever ɛne yɛwɔ bankye yɛwɔ mu difference ɛti sɛ wode asi gya so a ɛgya na bɛkyerɛ sɛ bankye deɛ ɛyɛ doo banchi di ayo baba ko na wo so ayatin no omo se enye eso no yesi enye
anse na go for pe o
no we do so abenya problem
okay
what you say ana we di kura mba nya se odi ni once na wo di ni to so de abenya problem okay eti ye ka jade ye stroke enye yare papa debi yare nyina he kaka kura ye onsa ayi wotu akomemu kantum se wabubu agufa na wo kasa wo mfafo okọ na wontumi nko bi mamu ni bibi asofo bebre wo Ghana bebre anya stroke shedem wo
okay ba mo kama yete omo dia shom mo
won say sofo bachi issue bay abaye ebinum de enye ebinum de
papa anka me bisaw akaya se aye ebinum de wo bone utoka anso asofo foso kan ho
ana meka me nkoka police ni asemo me nye police ni
ye be buy GP
what you say me sofo me difo nti o ma sana meka okay ti me ka say ye bebre dodo na da me kam asofo ni bi ni mi ato amani mu a na nani agye
na ni de
how dia na be nyafiri unya hwemfiri na sore members me ya o members
oh de
omo da so kwa sore omo che ne mpabo a me ya wo dia
ne FM station kan be
me ya wo dia ni TV station me ya wo dia but we preach wa other station ya TV station bi wo mo mfa wo mesha ho
okay
so what I say we have so many things to talk about. Maybe the late Sofo Bako Dr. Jesus or Kaswala
Jesus only there yet say only there onobasa e kan so be
no in some way.
Oh, and papa be because
in some way members doesn't know anything about Dr. Jesus are offering.
Okay.
Na yire kwara mpo entumi ni adanse say ni kunu kansa they are saying it to cover him. Oh, so hypocrite when I'm in Peru. No problem. Me see that hypocrite in a meeting.
Okay.
To say maybe I'm about assembly so I first of watch it. Me didn't know ya.
Come be so.
Eti meba what me ba mama to boss mama. Eti Dr. Jesus onu who so be wu come to myself about be a man say me baby. You got it.
I still remember when I said, oh, and I didn't do we don't say, Papa, or catch us so big. And the idea of what's a papa free.
Me ba mo station and chebia. Make us say be free a coffee na me wu a. Eti ene yan kom sana. Ojidi ni bia to me can say me wu a enya hwe. That doesn't mean so I shall come say radiation say date we time will be when you remember to be sama me dey baby o friend nyam me dey to me a when you be a nyam nsa wo so pa ya permanent person no eh ya be ewira fi say to dey ya be bia o te say wada me dey ya be bia anya na ko di to me na trade o mo bere wa and going you pay for it come on ya tuma it is a when you be a what is so so ah for say mini ayo o be from sia yeah, who can so you see me a woman shut down from home. Action is better than this. My action in your duma. What you say? Action in your duma. If sanity, some simile, a diabe, and a Saudi Arabia. I mean, Saudi Arabia, say, yes, you can somehow. Never see the other way, Saudi Arabia. And some yet, and I'm going to say, also, we are friends. We are the guy. You we are some guy. We didn't born. It's never quite be on quite a winning. Make you not quite a back in the down. I want to be a crowd. And you want to tell me. Anka, it is a Bantinia. I must be able to pass over my job washing. Praise the Lord God. Yes, as I do, Bantinia is done about ourselves. Meme kama brabo mansa mame kama wo dey see down so ja na betre say bantuwe eno ntia say mesene sofu bia organ enye ana say o mi mo mpa say betre say bant
no we fan say phone we ya banji na se ma ko tu banji wo mu mi no se
ne yire
so ya wo banji adanka so whatever any ya wo banji ya wo mu different
me suma wiase fo nyina mun ko kan kire ma me ne se
eti so do si ja so a ija na be tene se a banji de ya do
enam sika bi ho
banji de yo baba ko na wo so aya tin no
me pushu ma no kwana me nsene no bo fam enne ya de
o mo se e so no e se enye no we do so abenya
me
problem
de me nsu ja na me so
What you say?
ye fitam
ana wundi kura ngwanya se wundi
enya ba na ye de bokoko
in once na wundi into ato so de abenya
sika me
problem
so
eti ya ka ja
ana ne kunu se wakoyi ana sesi
ya yes stroke a
o tuna me nsa e ja se me fi ya se no abenya flower in the pot ni nyina sa bo fam ase e be papa
dabi ya ri na he kaka kura ya onsa ayi
na konyo akuru atimu akonyo osofu ma me no wa na konyo sofu ma me so ya sofu enya se na enya se na ya sofu da ase no be share ni kunu
esa wo mfafo ko na
papa ni yare a na konyo atimu asore
ma me ni bi
ma me na atimu ana ma me na esi fam wasi e wo no na konyo no so abeta
asofo bebre wo kana bebre nya stroke je
ya
dem
ware na ya na say ya ware na ye this advice adabia my wife had told me for say mommy no be mko challenge come teach
on say asofo bachi issue
because me
be
na mo jama on
be ebinu mo dem
me I don't have bodyguard me ni obi o ya me bodyguard
akoya say aye
nya me pele no bodyguard waso wa ko ale
ana me ka me nko kan police ni asa
me ni ka ye ho da wo me ko ye polikura yesu nti
what you say me ye so for me di for nti o
what you say mo me en fe ni breze si agana
asa na me ka ti ka say ye bebre dodo na da me ka
ti so fu bu atete ase a
ama so for ni ni mi ato amani mu a na na ni a che
because other stations that fit am pa kweka
ni na we na free
we no problem nipa de bewu o ya so for
na so le memes e me yo memes
oh dey I would
Oh, that's so far, sorry.
nkoko ni eye o ma si e ko ma eye de
o mo che ne mpabo a me yo de ya
ya be for na de
me yo de ni TV station me yo
na se preko no
o de ya but you preach wa other station e TV station bi wo mo mfa wo me hye ho
akoya say ye be di bronya accident etais wo Ghana so go for ka say go ho enye
so what you say eti we so many things to talk about maybe the late suffer back
yeah hype ya be for too much me hype
Dr. Jesus or Kaswala
me hype nyangopo me hype the three wise guys
no
osoro ni asase omo de omo na me hype omo na me kana asema menye bibia film na be fon de me fane ne foko eti ye wa bai fo ho mbe chiro niema me ensa bi ye wa bai kokko bai tuntum
woni insam wo ho
oh ene papa ye si che because
insam wo ho
bai fita ene ye wo bai kokko
members doesn't know anything about on Dr. Jesus who fit
sa niema me ensa
na yire
tumi ye wo mu no
Prampo entumi ni adanse se ni kunu kansa ya dia se ni
koma ni tumi na nkasa bai fufu kokko tuntum no tumi na nkasa
bon sa hypocrite we na mempe no
ama ya se o se o
wo kokko bi anje no wo bai ya odisa society na chi
no problem me see that hypocrite na michi
na nya na akomfo no dabi ja
to say me bi am ba se me so afa so po wachi
ana obi kura frame
This way.
na na bibi
eti me ba me to wa
na me na say for as in films get out we be so for kura come dey omo
eti Dr. Jesus omo o hu so
na komo tumi na ntije
come to myself we bo bi am say mi ba na
chance so I don't confirm to crata me fa say fiti be 80s 90s mo confirm there masa don't joke with them or they ha beto oh obeto obi for this don't joke with them it is a who papa be to me the say to me ni bijawa una na be to me the say to me ni bijawa then in share account
me ba mo station
and check the power no
make us say
our power in
the free of you know
no way
eti ene yen kom sana
that be ai
oji
man utumi no no de ma wo chese
ni bia to can say you wa enya hwe that doesn't mean so I shall come say
onya de nyame asikwan
ade a say yes to a time we go
tutum bai fufu no
when nyame ba do so bi
free a bai fufu for no
me dem baby o free nyame be dia so tumi a obi a nyame nsa wo
mesmo bai tutum
ya papa me fese na fi abusua ba ayi ade e wira fi sa ko de ya ti bi a
bai kokko yen na wa abusua ba ko bai fufu
ko ye ko tse ayi ya bi bi a enye
na ko di tumi na twe okay fine say
and
you pay for it baby ya
it is so
na ai
obi a what is on the susu
mini ayo obi court ni ade a wo de he judge ne ka
from sia who can say
masters head mistress no ka sa na space no aha na duro no na
sia me o man say na fa
bi aha na ya da
action is better than this
what you say
o say akoya say omo di kwa be yi
ma wo action ni aduma what you say action ni
ya bi wa ya dai
o train pa ni
sa
sana tia sana semede
wa wo sika ni bi mami aya wa
di abai ana ba saw ya
si abo bi mbeye wo
ana saw ya tenye sika sama na be se dia bia ba saw ya esa me yes
obi mami aya doctor
na me se bien bien wo so ya
ni ade ta ko ba bia
friends we dey die we are some guy we no born
anya more than 30
abi on kwa so neti e meko am ni kwa mi back na da wa ya
tu ye kura ase wo benya
bi akura da so and you for no a tro twa me
aya me ka bisa ka kwese sika fo no wa Ghana ha say
eti se bantenya abasi be ba so be ba so
ni o man jabo yan kana e o TV so so no no wa se ja na na president of God
ya sasa jo
ay bay fufu
bantenya e ja na
ka ba self sika ni o mo da me me kama wo mo rough wo man sama me kama
wo dey si ja no se ja na be tere se bantenya
nti yo pe ti mu yi
se me sene so
ya no wa na fre
ana se
but kokko fo no wo mo side no o mo sika no mo pa se
ete se bant we se phone ya balance nese ma ko to bant wo mu no se
ngire tutum kama ma dia be kokko be kokko fo no wo mo sika no ento be fufu fo no
omo ye moderate
but wo mo so
yo bant ada
ai
kasa ani on bant yo be different
ebusuani ma na yes ya wo se anti akuya ma na be
suma viazi fu na mo ko se ma me se
omo di kwa
eti so desi
because we will na
ja so a ija na be tene se abansi die e
asemesi ma na ebe wo dey check ebusuani mo se one side no wo mo sika one side no enche da ni sika se we no but ma hu ofenti omo competition
baba kuna wo so ayati
wo mo dey wo mo wo bi man so dey eni o monten ma wa ya ma me
pushu ma kwa na mensene
omo bi
no bo
eni
ya dia omo se
omo so ne omo dey omo ma na ba ko mi no miensa eti sa ba etuntumfo no wo mu no
eso no nse
every month
no we do so abenya
what you say eti bronya be so a ya wa hu mo moti nnuam ya wa hu mo moti kwayem ya wa hu ma omote insuasi e me nsuja e me so
What I say? And I will declare brightness with you. In wise now, what into a person, you have
yes, obi oye di for bi
and you can't
ne kunu say wakoyi
and I said, yes, stroke.
oh tuna ne sa e ja say flower in the pot ni nyina sa bo fam asa e be papa ayi ma mo atadi no
ya ni na kaka kansa
ye kan de na konyo akonya so ma me no wa na konyo so ma ne so ya so fo ya so ya se na enye se na ya so fo da da asa no be share ni kunu
esa wo mfafo ko na wo
papa ya na konyo oti nwa so na mo ni ma me so oti fo pa o ana ma me na esi from wasi e wo no na konyo no so beta so ko bebre wo na nya me frɛ me fofo
bebre ya stroke je
ya ware na ya na say ya ware na ye this advice and bia my wife and the trouble for say o kra na ma me no obi but
all say aso fati issue ko e on the way ibinu dem
around body ga you better see anuka but any for problem and no na one show mu ye na problem no wo ye na krase a wo ye on hwe ni ni obi o ye me body ga ntina me for say na me pele no body ga what you say so one show wo ye me de family
and na me ka me ko kan police ni
me re accommodate no me ba ya
say my me kan e yo ho da
wa on pai
wo me police
me weapon ani pai bo
what you say me so for me be for ti o what you say
hey agrobe di me because
mo me en fe mi be say si Ghana asa na me kan e ya me ka say ye bebre do
a different problem obi problem bet me free afa
Canada me ka ti so fu bu atete ase a ama so
wo yi da o
for ni mi ato amani na
so a asemi o waka o se urade makoko ju
other stations that feature mama America
makoya wo urade ba ko ankai a obaba ba
ya na we never
no problem people dey me pa cho yango body wati no ti so
na so members na me yo
na wa force aware no
ya da so fast
what the confusion be si we ba dem mutum wase
omo je ne babu ama ya wode ya ama ya wode ya TV station na
agina to me ba me ne ntama e ba se preko me so ni
wode ya but you preach one other station ya TV station bi
obe free e tin akọ because yes
omo ba wo ma sha
Simon said come on catch up Samson view mu nko eti Yesu kurambo na kanto me
so what you say
you obe kaso problem what you contemplate so for boa church say o ya lo ne yire kura na mu problem
so many things to talk about
obi a just we are sick obi a wonya na pepe da
the late so for ba
obi madam fu bia na okọ asochire sadana me tu Canada o chale when I go to Canada I will do this I will do that me go
Dr. Jesus
if I could do one you dey finya me enne
aswala
and when this guy just
I be nyangopo
because you are close to London one no
police guys
mami adoche woni mu nua woni obi a ufiri afaba we ba sports with them na me na say me ya se na be ya aka police dey na be fi ya deport them by finding you ko tie police ni bi na so police mo
ya wa by for
sorry I said no I did it I did it so abusia ba ye kokol ni
but you ni mama yense bi ya wa
by
for
na ese se wo di fo bi a we gina so abo aye sunsun adwuma de abo na mo so ni
insam wo ho
ene papa bia bia si she
me won to me wonim de me ni eja me won to me bi wo problem na se me na se me bo am me so bo
members doesn't know
ba kono am frame ya me ye de ko Bible can say,
no problem. Merci. That hypocrite. Maybe I'm passing on Jesus,
me, 80s, 90s, more comfortable. As I don't joke with them. I'm near comes to so I was a young. On the hand, to what? Oh, now what has he said? See, I see upon I go, it is a woman very to me the same. Saturday and comes at Mimichi. After some way, everybody said, what won't catch out when you funeral.
Yes, to a time when I
but for you to see it, now, as soon as year one. What sooner? What do you want? Now, I'm a direction. Fine, sir. A way a woman, and a brave woman, what ye. And you may say, what was your mind? One year, Jacosia. It doesn't matter. At the end, I will come as I wasn't conscious. I'm going to say, no, we'll be at the black. It is a very as someone may catch on, Monsieur Radisson and Country. What take card in the end? Say, a white. A Toyota. A Range Rover. Sign the budget. Confirmation. I just said, as summer, okay. I already saw no, can I remember? And then just side you would any at the end of the day. I have young couple of grams.
so ya mo ne wo
ni ade ta so mo mfa na me ma wo se komodo na ma osika se ko didwa na fa ye aduane di a na wan ko didwa na komodo so de wa na me me e bona mai
papa o me
ya friends wo ya le da wo ya samanja wo ni mo bon de che ko
anya more than 30
abi on person Meti no ko e ni ko e ba ke na da wa ya
tu ye kura asa wa ya mo adwuma
wo ya ya kura da so e wa no e tro ta me
nyame asoma no so me kan che wo hwade o kan ba Arade capture
it is a bantenya
so ngo ka che ni we for say
abasi ka ba so be ba so
o TV so isa sa ko papa bi du Arade ani no o mo boni abedu Arade ani
so no ko say ya
Mami uni bibi anka Arade wo tu me say
our self sika nyo mo na me kama
na ko mo ye dede e na so but so nsoma bofo bia o se osoma wa
wo run from wo ye si ja no se ja na betre se
wo cheke babu design ma wo cheke ni yepa yo na na ma ndi yo pe tie mu yi
se me se so
ya no na yo na ko tena bia bia se
ana se mu ya
ko ko fo no ti twi na me kan na asema me kai na me bisa me se dey one more side no on so na no officer that's the end you fear you friend abobonua odi na unu ko si dua ni e na otwe dua ni mu nyina nsuo firi mu
ese ma ko to ba je wo mu se
kama ma dey na papa ben kokko fo no you na se come and have another place e na ya asofo adwuma no e na ya enkomsetro no e na ya sese no ti ha yi
o ba je kasa ni so ani o ba je go be different
ebusuani ma na yes ya am mo adwuma na so
ku ya ma na be esuma prof yazu fu na
the meme ho ye yo na
it so best
prophet o se kwa mi obi
ja so a ya dia
prophet o se kwa mi obi enyi se
na betre se wo ba yo aba si dia
asibesi ma na esi ebe je me pa yo na nti and prophet pade check you na to twene because one side no ni wait yan one was ka betra ship ni mu no ship ne senke one side no ense da ni ska se we no bo ma ho offend egugu nso so for binti ya bo bi ma
competition o so ayati
wo de so for binti obi eja na yire ya so for binti wo bi and man so bi eni o mo akwache obi so for binti ya ko
pushu ma kwa na nsene
so for binti bebre
ani ya dia o se
but what is here bo
omo ma na ye ba ku mi no miensa eti sabe tuntum no wo
aswoden so if you want to hear
no eso no se
every month
and we just
ono abeka sa kire
abenya
what you say enti bronya beso a na wa ben wonyame mu a woni ma dia si akokọ kra kasa
ya wa ho momoti nnuam ya wa ho momoti kwayem
aje se honhom no eni oso na se honhom no wo so de a you don't have any problem
ya wa ho
ti ya vem vire soro wa mrewa wo ya wo hwehwehwe a enyi
papa bacho nya messages be YouTube down ho say this man of God is being claimed papa they say we have claim baby I no kwene down
because me we say here
okay papa obi so ebisa say madam host where is this man of God located in Ghana please okay so baby I was sorry people
oh okay
baby I
don't worry kaje ni pa ko say nyame nhira no
obi so say ask the man of God when does prophecy come every anytime being in concept
okay Jeremiah homa na o say mra wo dawo ma me yem no na minim niam Awurade do be ye eti in concept de kaje ni pa say enye meni ni mi no me so enye nne say in concept toro beba enye nne nkom se papa beba enye ne so bi bedi ni nua bone enye ne se oba emma ne ma be da afom ho enye ne se be ma ne be ma be da afom ho enye ne ene kura nkwasefo ni bi kura pa jimifo awo ma jimi no ebi kura fa nkokọ enye akokọ a oye akokọ nam live o akokọ a wawuo. Oh yes, I have it on my phone. Nipa da say ni be ma o why you the Burma? No, any picture, a video. And maybe answer it. There be a man say, and will be to me in country, we can't say, hey, Nadina, you ask a quay, you ask a corner, you will cry a cocoa, and do baby. One Ghana and Casano, ye evil level, no, and call baby a telephone. Say, evil level, no, and send a dear for the Benin for Ivory Coast, Congo. One that African countries now. O my name and maybe once a first Ghana no. You better talk about be a cool and then me about be still a cool. But other places so much about can we are the Peru, can we are yes and 9 yes I said Professor Padiano. Ye evil level no. Ghana for your neighbor you do baby I Debbie. You do baby I
Papa Obisusi must say ask again, why is God in Ghana always revealed to his prophet more on death, sickness and threats? I guess Ghana has any different work as
Nipa Texas awaya de nyame nshira webewu na ya mempe no. I hate that thing, that west, that evil west no michi
say webewu
na wo ka kire na na do so bewu na na do nisika beba nche
akonya no kwa ya famus
me ya sometimes me say prophet of so eba no bi aboni dinti let me use that name me ne dey hame upon family court what you say obi atumika ana on no ka say MPP beba you know there's some people almost a them wo they pray to God say onyame ma omo anaso onyame ma ye me ye Ghana nti because omo anase me yimu afiri onyame ma ye obi oba be di o man so na asudie beba. It's not a prophet who super pankwa na bompai there be you was so baby or war spiritual no o man retire but they don't want to go oh and my back room
na some person akere say Ghana has say obi 60 years now so call it still not that
shama me try bi so for what is chance yes sir